my channel Coding Warriors. So in today's session we are going to learn about logical operators and OR. So let's start with AND operator. So for AND operator we use two ampersand symbols. AND is executed and returns true when all the situations are present in a condition. So let's take an example to understand the above definition. So here's one image and there's one boy who wants to cross the river. To cross the river, he might have two things, one a boat and a pedal to cross the river. If one of the thing is missing, the boy cannot cross the river. So let's understand this with a truth table clearly. So here it is a truth table in which I have three columns, one of rowing boat, paddle and output. In this the rules are simple. True means that it is present and false means that it is not present, and in output yes means that the boy can cross the river and no means that the boy cannot cross the river. For AND operator, both the things should be present, both the condition should satisfy. So in the first condition, true, the rowing boat is there and the pedal is also present, true. So the boy can cross the river. So for that reason, we have a yes in the output. In the second condition, we have a true for the rowing boat, but false for the paddle. So the boy cannot cross the river. So there is a no for the output. In that similarly, in the third condition, we have false for the rowing boat and true for the pedal. And in the last condition, both are absent. Therefore, the boy cannot cross the river. So now we will implement the AND operator in a code. For this, we will take an example of C++ code. So here it is. I have already included all the basic elements like header files, clear scene, void main, getch, etc. Now we will start reading the code. In this, I have already declared an integer a is equal to 7. I have taken a variable a and I have stored 7 in the variable a. Now we will read the if condition. If a is less than or equal to 10, which means 7 is less than or equal to 10, and 7 is greater than or equal to 0, a is greater than or equal to 0. Both the conditions are true because 7 is less than 10 and 7 is greater than 0. Then it will print the number a is present between 0 to 10, or else it would have printed the number a is not present between the 0 to 10. Now we will see the output screen for this. So the number 7 is present between 0 to 10. For this, both the conditions are needed. In an AND operator, both the conditions which we have inserted should be true. Now in this code, I have taken the integer a variable as 17. So in this, 17 is less than or equal to 10 and 17 is greater than or equal to 0. In this, one condition is satisfying, which is 17 is greater than 0, but the condition in which 17 is less than 10, it is not satisfying. So in this, the output screen will show the number 17 is not present between 0 to 10. This happened because in an AND operator, both the conditions should be true. In this, the first condition is false, but the second condition is true. That means overall it is a false. That's why it has printed the else statement. So now let's talk about OR operator. The OR operator is symbolized by two pipe symbols. OR is executed and returns true when one of the situation is present in a condition. Let's understand this with an example. We will take the previous example in which there is one boy who wants to cross the river. Instead of one pedal and a board, the boy has two options, one a board with a pedal and a bridge to cross the river. He can either use both the options or he can use only one option to cross the river. It is not like the AND operator in that it is compulsory to use both the options. You can either use both or the bridge. Let's understand with the truth table. So in this, the rules are the same. True means that it is present and false means that it is not present, and yes means that the boy can cross the river and no means that the boy cannot cross the river. So in first condition we have true for the rowing boat and true for the bridge. So both the options are present. So he can definitely cross the river. In second condition we have the rowing boat but the bridge is absent. But in that condition also the boy can cross the river. Same in the third condition, the rowing boat is absent but the bridge is present. And in the fourth condition, both are absent, therefore he cannot cross the river. So let's understand with an example and include OR operator in it. So here is a code and I've already created the code and all the major files like header files, void main, etc. So here in the code I have initialized an integer a is equal to 5, and there is one if condition in which it will check if a is equal to 1, or a is equal to 2, or a is equal to 3, and so on till 7. If the condition satisfies, it will print it is a weekday, else it will print it is not a weekday. Let's see the output for this code. So it is a weekday as a is equal to 5, and I have already mentioned in the if condition if a is equal to 5. So in this, if we had used an AND condition, it would have checked all the conditions and all the conditions should have been true. But as we have used OR condition, it will check for only one condition, that is true, and if the one condition out of this seventh condition is true, it will print it is a weekday, or it would have printed it is not a weekday. So in this code, I have taken integer a is equal to 15. As all the conditions are false in the if condition, it will print it is not a weekday. As the condition is from 1 to 7 and 15 is not included in it. Thank you.